Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking verify that the function f of x is equal to x cubed plus x minus 1 satisfy the hypothesis of mean value theorem on the interval 0, 3, then find c which satisfy the conclusion of mean value theorem. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, we have to know what are the conditions of mean value theorem. So in order to satisfy the condition, there are two conditions to satisfy the mean value theorem. First, the function should be continuous, and second, the function should be differentiable. And if both of them, if the equation satisfy both of them, then according to mean value theorem, f of b, this value, in this case f of 3 minus f of 0 over 3 minus 0 is going to give us the c value. C mean real root that exists, right? So let's find out whether it satisfies these two conditions. So first of all, is this function continuous? Yes, of course it's continuous, because the if you see the domain is all real numbers. Therefore this function is continuous, so this satisfies the first condition. So continuous, and it satisfies the first condition. So second condition is this function differentiable? To find whether it is differentiable, we have to take the first derivative. So if I take the first derivative, it's going to be 3x squared plus 1, and in this case this is also all real number, so this is continuous in the first derivative, so this is differentiable. Therefore it satisfies the second condition. Now we can plug this into equation. According to mean value theorem, it says therefore f prime x is going to be equal to f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Now in this case x is going to be my real root, or you can say it as c and x same thing. So whatever you pick is going to be the value. So here now here to substitute this b value. B is going to be 3. So if I substitute this one into this equation, 3 cube is going to be 27. 27 plus 3 is going to be 30. 30 minus 1 is going to be 29. 27 30, 30 minus 29. Then if I substitute 0 for this one, 0 cube is 0 plus 0 minus minus 1, so it's going to be minus 1. And here in the bottom we have 3 minus 0. In the top it's going to become 30. 30 over 3 which is going to give us 10. Then we can, so we have 10 right here. So to find the, so this is the equation to f prime c. Now we have to equalize to this derivative. So first derivative is giving us 3x squared plus 1. Our purpose is to find this x. That's going to be the real root, right? So in this case, what I have to do is I have to equalize this 10 to this value, this equation. So it's going to be 3x squared plus 1 is equal to 10. So if I bring this one other side, it's going to be 9, and x squared is going to be 9 over 3. Therefore x is going to be square root of 3, and it's going to be plus or minus square root of 3. Then if I square root 3, it comes out to be, wait a minute, I have to use the calculator. Then it comes out to be 1.732, and it can be plus or minus, but now we have to check whether it is within the endpoint. So if you check, the negative value is not in the endpoint, because we have the domain, that's limited domain, that's giving us 0 to 3. In this case negative is not there, therefore negative 1.732 won't be our answer, but plus 1.732 is within these values, therefore it's going to be my answer. Therefore the c is going to be equal to c, first let's say x is going to be equal to 1.732. Therefore c means real root. The real root exists at 1.732. This is my final answer, and this is how we apply mean value theorem. I hope you guys understood this concept. See you next time.